What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Luis, and as you can tell guys, I'm back in the room where I first started my YouTube channel, where I did my first video as well guys. I'm gonna be here for the next 2 to 3 months, just until they call me for the next job up there where my sister's at. This kind of gives me a chance to put out more videos guys. I know sometimes I kind of disappear and post videos and then I disappear for like 2 or 3 weeks, but now that I have more time and I'm here at the house, I'm gonna try and put out more videos. At least, what I'm gonna try to do is 2 videos a week, if not 1 for sure, but I want to do 2. So hopefully it all works out guys, and I'm actually happy because I finally hit over 100 subscribers, so I really appreciate that guys. I really do. But other than that guys, let me show y'all what we're going to be doing to the Mustang today. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing is replacing these old decals on the fender, and I'm also going to be replacing these chrome 5.0 badges to some brand new blacked out 5.0 badges. Honestly guys, I should have done these 5.0 badges a long time ago when I first got the Mustang. I don't know why I've waited this long, but I'm finally going to do it. Don't mind the chickens, we got some in the back. All you're gonna need is a heat gun or a hair dryer, some soap and water, clean rags, a squeegee, and you can't forget about the new 5.0 badges and the new decals as well. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is get a hair dryer or heat gun. Right now I'm going to use a hair dryer since the heat gun was leased and it stayed over there with him. Also guys, we're going to be using your hair dryer, your heat gun. Don't be so close to the 5.0 badge, you know, and also the decals because it might damage your paint. So be about like 6 to 8 inches away and you should be able to do it like that. So the first thing came out of the 5.0 badge is pretty easy to remove, not that hard. Next, what I'm going to do is remove the decals. Alright guys, so the decal is going to be a lot trickier to remove, so once I'm done I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so this middle part was pretty easy. The tricky part right now is these little lines right here on the side. This took off in like a few seconds, but this right here, these lines right here are pretty difficult. Alright guys, so now everything's removed, all the old decals and the 5.0 badge. The only thing I'm gonna do next is clean it up with some water and soap, and then I'm gonna use some goo gun to take out this old adhesive that's left over from the decals. And sorry the Mustang's a little dirty guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it after I'm done. Alright, it's all cleaned up guys, and I went ahead and used alcohol as well to clean it up more, but it looks pretty shiny to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those new decals on first, then the 5.0 badge. The decal's done. It still has some bubbles, but those will come off with time. That's what I meant. It has that Mustang logo right there. That's what I like about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put on that 5-volt badge, guys, and this side should be done. And there it is, guys. The 5-volt badge is on, decals is on, everything looks good. Just like I said, it still has some little bubbles and some imperfections, but other than that, looks good. Looks really good. Let me go ahead and do the other side, guys, and I'll show you some cinematic clips with both sides done. Alright guys, this side is completely done. I went ahead and knocked this one out in like 10 minutes, man. The other side was the one that took a lot longer. It took me about 30 minutes, but you guys know how that is. When you work on one side of your car, the other side seems a lot easier. But yeah guys, this is pretty much gonna be the end of the video, guys. Like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna try and make more vlogs for y'all, probably twice a week, like I said, and just keep uploading for y'all. But if y'all enjoyed this video, guys, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.